This platform is paying quite well as of today. In fact, the return on investment is in less than 5 days. Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are all doing incredibly well. Today, I'm going to introduce you to an investment platform that is paying out and quite well. In fact, the return on investment is quite short. Let's analyze it completely. Stay in this video and don't miss a thing, guys. But before we move on to watch the video itself, I want to mention that you'll be participating in a $5 giveaway just for commenting right in the comment box. You leave any comment you think is appropriate, and just with that, you'll be participating in each of my channels, whether it's the Spanish channel, the English channel, or the Portuguese channel. And you'll see the results from each video in today's video, meaning that today you'll see the winner from the previous video. Very important, if you comment on the English YouTube channel, the comment has to be in English. If you comment on the Portuguese channel, you just need to leave the comment in Portuguese. And right down here, you'll put your comment in Spanish to be able to participate. That's enough. The platform presented today is called DeepSea, which is a standing platform in which you make an investment and it generates income daily based on the amount you generate in investments. It's pretty cool. Let's break it down completely to see exactly how it works, the benefits it has, and what I did exactly in one day. The first thing you need to do is head over to the description of this video, where you'll find all the official links to access it, social media, and also the website. And this is extremely easy and straightforward. You just go to that link and this page will open up. Here, you enter your email address. A password, repeat the password. Here, my invitation code will appear, which will obviously give you benefits. You click on register and you're already on the platform. First of all, I'm going to show you how much I've earned in just one day of being on the platform. I'm going to explain more or less how everything works, how to make deposits, and how to make withdrawals. And as I mentioned a moment ago, this platform is paying out. So we need to take full advantage of it for as long as possible to get a pretty good margin on our investment. To do this, we go to the wallet section, which is located at the bottom right. We click on it and here we'll see exactly how much I've deposited and what I've generated up to today. In fact, it's only been a few hours since I made the deposit. It was only $10 because I'm just doing a test. And then I sent it directly, $193. How did I send it? This amount? Now I'll explain it to you roughly. How does everything work? Now I'm going to explain how the platform works and how it generates profits. We simply go to the quantify section, and here you're going to find different plans. Depending on the investment you make, you'll be able to generate a certain amount of income. For example, the one I have, which is $10 and up, generates between 12 and 13% of your investment. But however, if you make a larger investment, for example, $800, it generates 38 and 19% every 24 hours. And how does this work here? You just click here, start quantify. In my case, I can't do it right now because I just did one that gave me $1.93. But I can start another one in 19 hours, which means practically every 24 hours. You will be able to start a quantification by simply clicking here. It automatically generates, starts the buying and selling operations, and generates then for you automatically. So this amount that we see here, which in my case is 10%, would be a total of $1.93. Now I'm going to explain how to make a deposit on the platform. This here is extremely easy and simple. You just head over to the recharge section, you click on this one, select the transfer method, that is, I recommend the USDT website or the TRC20. In fact, the TRC20 is much cheaper than the Web20. As I always say, the Web20 is a very secure network, but this one here is the most economical. Click directly on USDT TRC20, and here we have a code. We copy it, and now I'll explain what you need to do. Next, now you need to go to the platform where you have your assets, whether it's an exchange, a wallet, or whatever you find appropriate. Obviously, I'm going to operate with the TRC20, which is the network we're going to use this time. This time I'm going to use KuCoin as an example, since the platforms all work pretty much the same. We simply look for our USDT token, click on it, just a second. We're going to do it in real time. We click on it and go to the action section and select withdrawal. We click on it. Here we select the network, paste the network that we just copied, which is this one here that you saw a moment ago. We have it right here. We copy it and paste it here. Here we select the type of network, which is the TRC20. We have it right here. Here you enter the amount you want to withdraw, whether it's $10, $20, or whatever amount you find appropriate. Remember that this network charges a $1 fee for each transaction. That is, if you want to send $10, you must send 11. If you want to send $100, you need to send 101. Okay? And you just withdraw it, follow the steps, and wait from 1 to 3 minutes, and you'll have it directly on the platform. Once deposited, you simply select the mode that best suits your investment. You just click on the one you find appropriate. For example, if you have invested $100, this is the one you need to operate. You just click here to start, to quantify, like up to this section, and wait for the results to come in. It takes about a minute and a half, and you'll have your profit directly. Notice that, as I mentioned a moment ago, I made an investment of just $10, and it has obviously given me 1.93, which is is practically nothing. It has been deposited. I'm going to run the machine, and in a minute or two, I'll have the amount directly. And this amount here is 100% withdrawable. Now, I'll explain how it works to make a withdrawal. And to make the withdrawal, it's extremely easy and very simple. It's just following the deposit steps, but in reverse. We simply click on the withdrawal section, and we will follow the steps. Here's an important thing, guys, that it mentions down here. If you withdraw through the B20 network, the minimum withdrawal amount is 1 USDT. If you withdraw, on the contrary, on the network de ArChY, the minimum withdrawal amount is 5 USDT. I have 1.93 here, so we will make a withdrawal on the B20. But I'm going to explain how you need to do it if you want to go through the TRC20 network, as it's one of the most cost-effective networks for transactions. We're just going to our platform where we have our assets, and we'll do the processes in reverse. I already have it done here, so let's go directly back. We'll select USDT, and we'll do everything in real time to avoid any kind of loss. And in this section here, instead of putting withdrawal, we're going to put deposit, and we select the network we're going to use. For example, the TRC20, we click on it, copy this address, and that's enough. We go to this section here, and in this section, we're going to put the address here. Let's put the withdrawal amount, and that's enough, but we're going to withdraw it in real time on the B20 network. For the B20 network, we simply head over, for example, to our MetaMask wallet, which we have here operating on the B20. We see that this is the Smart Chow thing. We copy our address, go down to this section, put the withdrawal address, and hit Ctrl V to paste. And here we need to enter our password. I'm putting it in right now. Next, once we've done this, we'll just click confirm. And as you can see in this section here, in just a few seconds, it has practically been just a few seconds, I already have the amount deposited, which is 192 USDT. It's that easy and simple to make profits on this platform. And notice that I've only made a deposit of $10 and I'm getting quite a good profit. In other words, in less than 5 days, I've already recovered my investment and everything that comes after will just be profit. So take advantage of this opportunity. I also want to tell you that there's another way to make profits without having to invest if you don't want to. I recommend it because the platform really works well. You know that this platform has a predetermined time and you can make money without having to invest. You just go to the invite friends section and you'll have a link directly for you. For every person you invite, you're going to earn a percentage of the deposit that person makes on the platform. This is pretty easy. I'll explain how much the percentage is for each person who joins directly through your referral link. That's what you're going to earn. 100% withdrawable for you. To do this, we simply click on invitation rewards. And it tells us directly here that the people who join through level 1, just so you understand, level 1 is the person who joins through your link, okay? From that person, whatever that person deposits, you're going to get a 10% profit. Level 2 is the person who joins through your friend's link, not yours. In other words, you invite one person, that person invites another person, and the person who enters from there. Obviously, you're going to get a profit of 3%, and in the third level, you're going to get a profit of 1%. That's what you're going to earn directly from the people who join through your referral link. Alright guys, let's get right to the winner of the giveaway from the last video we have on the channel, giveaway for commenting. We go straight to the last video we have here, we click on it, we wait a few seconds, I'm going to pause it so it doesn't play, double, check, click here above to copy the link. We go to the PP Sorteo app, Ctrl V to paste, we click on comment, we load the comments, and we wait a few seconds for all the comments to load here. We filter out duplicates, we scroll down to confirm, we click on start, and in just 10 seconds we have a winner. From this fabulous giveaway, I want to thank everyone, as always, for being active and commenting on my channels in English, Portuguese, and Spanish. The winner is Diana, a Coronado. Congratulations. So that's why I tell you that if you're decided to invest, join through my referral link, since everything I collect from the referral links is what I use to do giveaways for you. All the money that comes through my referral link goes back to you for supporting the channel. So guys, I've practically explained everything you need to know. I say goodbye here. I send you a kiss, a hug, a huge thank you for always being there. Always. And I'll see you, as I always say, in the next video. Bye bye.
Now we just see everything we believe.